Hello everyone, welcome back to the Money Eyes channel. Today I am going to be putting together my digital recipes. So right here it's just a plain cover. I bought this off of Etsy a few years ago. I'll see if I can still find the link or if it's even for sale still, and I'll put it in the description. I'm just going to type out basic recipes and design it a little bit, and I'm going to let you guys watch me do that for a second, and I will be back. Okay, so this is the dashboard index where there's multiple sections that you can put different recipes into. There's a section for almost everything, if you ask me. I think the only reason why I didn't really use this is because I'm not really a fan of the side tab look. I'm more into the words being on the actual page of the digital planner and linking the pages like that. But as you can see, there is space in each section to add 60 recipes, and going into the desserts, because today I'm going to be putting together a cinnamon roll recipe that I used. I really enjoyed this, so I'll also put the link to that recipe in the description as well, so that you guys can try it out if you'd like. It's not really that hard to make, just a little time consuming, I would say. A lot of wait time for the most part, but there's basic simple ingredients to actually make the recipe, so I definitely highly recommend it. It was definitely a 5 out of 5 for me, 5 stars. My family liked it too. This is the actual image that comes with the recipe, and what I did was I did print the recipe from the internet, but instead of actually printing it, I saved it as a PDF and adjusted it to size the way that I want it and saved it into my files. So it is a PDF, and I brought it into Noteful, and I was going to just stockpile recipes inside Noteful, but then I said, no, I probably didn't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is just use it so I can flip back and forth, and I don't have to go to the internet and just screenshot and copy and paste the image to the recipe, all of the ingredients and the directions. And you'll see that once I do paste things, they paste regularly, so you're gonna have to format it the way that you want it to look, which you'll see me do that as well. Another thing that kind of turned me off about this recipe book was the lines on the page, because I wasn't really a fan, or I'm really still not a fan of actually doing full page of handwriting. But when I bought this, I had no idea that you could take screenshots of the background and cover the lines. So I'm so happy that I found that. So that's what I'll be doing. I will be adding in the ingredients and the instructions and formatting everything the way that I want it to look, and putting a screenshot behind the text so that it looks like a plain page, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just do that, and I'm going to let you guys enjoy watching me put this together. Okay, thank you everyone once again for coming back to the Money Eyes channel. I really enjoy all the comments that I am receiving on some of my videos. You can keep that up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the comments let me know if you tried this recipe or if you would like for me to do more recipe spreads. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video.